Let's dive right into some epic travel hacks using AI to snag the best deals out there. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll be booking flights like a pro without breaking the bank. First, let's look at harnessing AI-powered fare predictors. First off, let's talk about AI fare prediction tools like Hopper and Google Flights. These platforms are like having a personal fortune teller for airfare. The Hopper app. Download the app and enter your desired destination and travel dates. Hopper analyzes millions of data points to predict future flight prices with impressive accuracy. It'll tell you whether to book now or wait for a better deal, and it'll send you notifications when prices drop. It's like having a savvy friend keeping tabs on the market for you. Exploring Google Flights. Head over to Google Flights and input your trip details. Utilize the price graph and date grid features to see how prices fluctuate over time. Turn on track prices to receive email alerts when fares change. It's all about timing, and AI helps you nail it. According to travel expert Brittany Schiffler, owner of Travel Savvy Inc.,
both Hopper and Google Flights are game changers when it comes to saving money on airfare. Hopper's predictive technology analyzes millions of data points to give travelers confidence in their booking decisions, while Google Flights' comprehensive tools, such as the price graph and date grid, allow users to strategically plan their trips and find the best deals available. Together, these platforms empower travelers to make informed choices and stretch their travel budgets further.
Next, we will talk about chatting with AI travel assistants. Say hello to AI chatbots like the one from Skyscanner. These chatbots make searching for flights as easy as texting a friend. Getting started with Skyscanner's chatbot is super easy. On platforms like Facebook Messenger, just search for Skyscanner. Then initiate a conversation and let the bot know where and when you want to travel. It'll sift through countless options to present you with the best deals tailored to your preferences. Quick, easy, and super convenient. Now, let's uncover some hidden deals with AI. Airlines sometimes offer better deals on their regional websites, but language barriers can be a hurdle. That's where AI steps in. Using AI translation tools like Google Translate can help you navigate international airline websites. Copy and paste text or use the browser's translate feature to understand and book flights on foreign sites, potentially unlocking lower prices not displayed elsewhere. We think you can maximize rewards with AI. Don't let your hard-earned miles and points go to waste. AI apps like AwardWallet keep track of all your loyalty programs in one place. Setting up AwardWallet is a breeze. Just sign up and sync all your frequent flyer and credit card reward accounts. The AI monitors your point balances, alerts you before they expire, and even suggests the best ways to redeem them for maximum value. It's like having a personal accountant for your travel rewards. Now, you should personalize your recommendations through AI. Websites like Expedia and Kayak are leveraging AI to provide personalized flight recommendations. Tailoring your experience is key. Make sure to create an account and fill out your travel preferences. The AI algorithms analyze your past searches and bookings to suggest flights that match your style and budget. It's all about that custom fit. I bet you can stay ahead with price drop alerts. Sometimes, flight prices drop after you've booked. AI tools can help you capitalize on this. Using Yapta or Service, these platforms track your booked flights and notify you if the price drops. They can even help you get a refund for the difference, depending on the airline's policy. It's a hands-off way to ensure you're always getting the best deal. You can beat dynamic pricing. Airlines may adjust prices based on your browsing habits. AI can't prevent this, but being tech-savvy can. Going incognito. Use incognito or private browsing modes when searching for flights. Clear your cookies or use a VPN to prevent websites from tracking your searches and potentially raising prices. Our favorite bonus hack, combining AI tools for ultimate savings. Why stick to one tool when you can combine them for maximum effect? Stacking your strategies. Use Hopper to predict the best time to buy, Skyscanner's chatbot to find the best routes, Google Translate to access international deals, and AwardWallet to apply your rewards. It's the ultimate AI-assisted booking process. Wrapping it up for you. AI is revolutionizing the way we travel, making smarter, data-driven decisions accessible to everyone. By tapping into these tools, you're not just saving money, you're enhancing your entire travel experience. Remember, the key is to stay curious and open to new technologies. The landscape is always evolving, with new apps and features rolling out regularly. Now it's your turn. Have you tried any of these AI travel hacks? Got any other tips up your sleeve? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's build a community of savvy travelers who make the most of tech innovations. Safe travels, and may your next adventure be just a click away.